Hi, I'm Billy Dunn, and I'm going to run through the installation for a floating shelf from customfloatingshelves.com. So the first thing we're going to do is figure out where the shelf is going to go. Liz, where do you want this thing? Right about here, right?
No, higher.
Higher?
Yes, for sure. Higher. Keep going. Nope. Little.
What?
No, down.
Yeah.
Down. It doesn't look straight.
Well,
Down. That's perfect, right there.
that's where I started.
Okay.
Okay, right there. Make a mark. Okay. All right, so the shelf bracket has to go 3/8 below the top of the shelf and 1.5 inches in from the edge. Okay, so I'm gonna make a couple marks level across. So next I've got the bracket. I'm going to mark these stud locations onto the bracket so we can drill holes in it. All right, this is the hardware.
Jelly bellies!
So I'm going to attach the bracket, just the middle bolt, and then I'll level it up before we drill the other holes. Okay, that's on there pretty good. Okay, now we're ready to put the shelf on the wall. So this thing fits on here nicely. The last thing we're going to do is permanently attach it with some adhesive. So I'll just put a little bit, you don't need that much. Put some painter's caulk on the end, a little dab there, and put that sucker on there. And that way if you need to get back there with a putty knife and cut the glue, you can easily get to that. That's not going to come off the wall unless you're pulling on it though. But that way you can get it off of there with a putty knife without making a huge mess. Alright. A lot of people have asked how much weight the shelves can hold, and that really depends on the quality of the installation. I did this installation myself. I think the quality is pretty good. But still, it's hard to say for sure how much weight it can hold. Libby, how much do you weigh?
73
73 what?
pounds.
All right. Liam, how about you?
78 pounds.
All right. Dang, you're heavy. Okay.
Ah!
You're heavier.